Good evening, Dean Davison, liveweatherblogs.com meteorologist here with your overnight outlook. Let's first take a look at this pattern. We're seeing La Nina. We're having a situation with La Nina, and it's not a La Nina type of winter. Well, here's a idea of why it is not a La Nina type of winter. We have that block in Greenland. That block is what it's doing is it's blocking these storm systems closer to the United States, and what's going on is we're getting these two jet streams to come together. When that happens, we get phasing. When we get that phasing going on, you get the low pressure systems develop, come along the coast, and with the troughing in the east, what you're getting is a lot of cold air. What's going on is the cold air is pushing in deeper into the south, allowing when these storms do come up here, to spread snow throughout the whole entire eastern United States. And that is one of the reasons we're having this situation as it's going along. Alright, let's get into the meat and potatoes of this overnight outlook. Our temperatures in Roanoke Valley: 19, 18 in Withville, 17 in Bluefield, 21 in Lewisburg, 16 Hot Springs, 28 Staunton, 27 Lexington, 28 Roanoke, 28 Lynchburg, 29 Smith Mountain Lake, 28 Martinsville, 29 Danville, and 18 in Galax. Cold air is entrenched in the area. We got a lot of wind going on here. You can see these hotter colors here. The higher the winds here, 15 to 18 miles an hour. Gusts are going up towards 30 to 50, depending on where they're at. Calm at Smith Mountain Lake. I don't know if it's reading properly or not there, but the higher elevation is definitely getting more wind. 28 miles an hour in Galax. Taking a look at the wind chill temperatures, you can see you have a -1 here in Galax, 2 Withville, 2 Bluefield, 19 Bristol, 5 Blacksburg, 15 in Roanoke, -5 in Hot Springs. So very cold wind chills are going on here in the mountainous regions here of the Roanoke Valley. Satellite picture shows this low pressure system, this bomb moving away, cold air entrenched behind it, moving in. What we're getting is a cold flow, and if you're along the mountains, you're getting some snow here, West Virginia, Western Virginia, parts of Western North Carolina as we go along. National temperatures, you can basically see where the jet stream lines up here. See, we have the cold air down to the south. All the way to the south coast. Warmer air. 46 in Orlando is cold. 41 in Houston is pretty cold, but all this warm air in the west, leading to heavy rainfall going on there. 8 Minneapolis, 5 Kansas City, 26 Denver, 31 Billings, 25 Salt Lake City, nothing in Santa Fe at the current time, 25 New York City, 30 Bangor, 28 here in the Star City of Roanoke, and 25 in Hot Atlanta, which is cold Atlanta tonight. Synoptic maps, you're seeing the low pressures now exiting the coastline, and next bit of weather is coming into the Pacific Northwest, and the high pressure will build in across the east, warming it up for the weekend before the next front pushes to the west. You will see also that the next system we're going to be going on to is going to be towards Tuesday, and we're going to take a look at that in the extended, which is extending in this predicament in Hydrological Prediction Center. As we get the high pressure here, we got some lows here, one towards Texas, something we got to watch there. Day 7. That low is going to be moving from the south. Where it sets up is the most important thing. Will we get one to set up off the coast of North Carolina? Will it be cold enough? The other thing would be, is there going to be an apse runner that runs up the Appalachian Mountains? A little bit of time to look at this. See, it's a little time off. It's only Wednesday here, and we're looking at a storm next Tuesday. It's a week away. We have a little bit of a time to relax for a day or two. We can speculate what the models say, and we can look into that. But at this point, no definite calls should be made. Hazard maps across the country, you can see winter storm warnings back here in the mountains. That's going to be for lake effect type snow. Snow here in the mountains, the White Mountains, the Green Mountains, and also up here in Maine. The other thing we got to take a look at is here in Hawaii, which we're going to actually go into Hawaii right now. We got flash flood watches throughout the whole entire country, state of Hawaii. We got some winter storm warnings in the upper levels here of Hawaii, but you can see we've had some warnings earlier, so it's going to be really wet in Hawaii. We're taking a look at the radar out of Hawaii and closer to the country, the state. This is the volcano area of Hawaii. Heavy snow going on. You can see, I guess, from clearing through this location Friday and Saturday, and then we get back to snow. We're looking at the radar here in Hawaii. You get to see that moist flow coming out of the south and west, really filling the islands up with heavy rainfall. That's why there is a flash flood watch in effect, and winter storm warnings in the higher of the elevations. Here's our warnings here. Winter storm warning: 6 to 14 inches snow up to 20 inches above 3,500 feet, 2 to 5 inches. And winter weather advisory: this is going to be in the mountains uh, west of Roanoke, and basically less than an inch of snow in the wind, and a wind advisory here in Roanoke. Bedford County winds above 40 miles an hour are possible. So a quieter forecast for Roanoke Valley. 20 degrees overnight, 34 Thursday, 37 Friday, 42 Saturday, 46 Sunday with a warm up, and partly to mostly sunny skies. Winds will calm down as we go towards Friday. And for the triad, also a dry time. 19 overnight, 36 Thursday, 39 Friday, 45 Saturday, 49 on Sunday with a warm up. So a little bit of a warm up here in the Roanoke Valley in the triad. We'll be watching for whatever may come out of next Tuesday. Stay with liveweatherblogs.com for that information as it becomes available. For liveweatherblogs.com, this is meteorologist Dean Davison, and have a great evening.